What's the meaning of chihuahua? Chihuahua. Chihuahua.
Chihuahua. Chihuahua. Chihuahua is the name of a breed of small dogs that originated in Mexico. They are known for their tiny size, large ears, and lively personalities. The name Chihuahua also refers to the state in Mexico from which the breed is believed to have originated. In addition to being popular pets, Chihuahuas are sometimes used as therapy dogs, and they have also been trained for roles in movies and television shows. Despite their small size, Chihuahuas can be tenacious and fearless, making them loyal companions for their owners.